Hey guys, so today in this video we're going to look at Windows Deployment Services, WDS for short. Windows Deployment Services is a server role that gives the administrator the ability to deploy Windows operating systems remotely. Windows Deployment Services can be used for network-based installation to set up new computers, so administrators don't have to directly install each operating system. Alright. If an administrator is thinking of using Windows deployment services, Microsoft recommends having a good understanding of common networking compounds and deployment technologies, including the Active Directory domain services, DNS, and DHCP. Microsoft also recommends that it may be helpful for administrators to have a good understanding of the pre-boot execution environment, the PXE. Alright. Alright, so to get started, we're going to go back to our server manager. We're going to go to rules, add rules. Just wait for it to come up. We're going to add rules. And then we're going to go to Windows Deployment Services. Going to click that right there. And next. Alright, so this is some information that you could read through. For this installation, you must have the DHCP and DNS installed already. On this server, I already have it installed. You should really read on before you move on. From here, we're just going to press next. We're going to need to have these two checkboxes checked. And we're going to go next. And then we're going to press install. Alright, now that our installation is finished, we're going to close this off here. So now let's configure our Windows Deployment Services. So we're going to go back to Start. We're going to go to Administrative Tools. We're going to go to Windows Deployment Services. And in our Windows Deployment Services window, we can see our server name. We're going to see that it's not yet configured. We're going to right click on our server name. And we're going to click Configure Server. From here, we just retrieve the information and then press Next. Here we want to go to Start. Go to My Computer. Right click. I want to go to Manage. Go to Storage. Alright. On my allocated this here, and I'm going to right click. I'm going to click New Simple Volume. And when this wizard starts up, I'm going to click Next. I'm going to leave this at the default settings. And go to Next. We have this drive mapped as E. I'm gonna leave this thing here. That's our drive letter or path. Alright, so these are the settings here that's required. Perform a quick format. And then go to Next. I'm going to change this to the name Data. And then press Next and Finish. And let's go back to our installation. What we need to do now, we're going to change the path. So we'll go and browse. Now we're going to change it to a new path, which is E, Data. Alright, so what we need to do, we're going to need to change the path, so we're just going to change it So a new part, which is E, and then we click next. So here it states if the server is running on WDS, it should not be listening to port 67. So we're going to check this here, and I've also configured the DHCP PXE client, and we're going to go to next. Respond to all. So here we're going to respond to all clients and computers, known and unknown, and then we go to finish. Right, so now we have to get our image file. So we right click on our install image, add install image. Our group has been created for us, so we're going to go to next, and then browse. And from here we go to computer. And in computer we will load our CD drive that has our ISO file on it already. And in our CD drive, in our installation disk, we're going to go to source. And in our source folder, we're going to choose our install WIMS file. Okay. And here you can see the path for that flash drive. And these are the files for Windows 7 file. I'm going to press next. Choose our image. If there's multiple images in the file, choose our image and then press next. Alright, now that our image has been loaded, finish. We're going to click on boot image, right click on boot image, add boot image. We're going to go to browse, and in the source folder for Movia, we're going to go to the boot vim, open, next again, and next for the last time, and let the boot image be added. And now we'll finish. Alright, so we successfully installed our Windows Development Services. We started it up, and we've installed our installation disk. My installation disk just happens to have multiple Windows on it, and we've installed our boot image. Alright, so that's it for this video.